Is popping or cracking in my neck or lower back good or bad for me? Today I want to answer that for you. So my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin. I've been helping people to change their lives for the last 20 years through natural means without drugs or surgery. This is a question that a patient asked me today is it okay if I pop my neck or my lower back? And the real answer to this is no. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. If you just wind up moving and there's a popping sound that happens, that's not really a problem. But it's when we wind up making ourselves crack that there's a problem. Now, I know. You guys are going to ask me, well, Doc, what is it when you do an adjustment that makes that noise? When we go in and we do an adjustment, we find an area within the spine that's not moving properly, and we insert a direct and specific thrust into that area to create mobility and motion. When you wind up just taking your head and moving it, we wind up creating generalized motion throughout the entire area of the spine. So that area that's restricted and making it feel like you need to move winds up not moving at all, and the ones above it and below it move too much and cause more damage. If you've been going through this, let's make sure we connect you with someone who can wind up helping you. And go ahead and write below and ask us to connect you with a corrective chiropractor where you may be. If you're wondering if this is what's going on for you, go ahead and write some questions down below too. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.